Hello dear students. Today you will learn Sociology lesson Introduction to Sociology. The life of human being is a fascinating one. Human beings are different from other animals and are intellectual beings. Apparent differences in body structure and rate of growth, food consumption, creativity, and evolution in brain can be noticed. The relationship between the individual and society are unique, special. There is no society without individual, and there is no individual without society. Individual and society are like two faces of the same coin. The social living is necessary for the well-being and growth. Hence, human society is called as a web of social relationships. Human beings live together in the society for the well-being and growth. Hence, human society is called a web of social relationships. Now let us see what's the meaning of sociology. The word sociology originates from two words, socius of Latin language and logos of Greek language. Socius means companion. Logos means science or study. Thus, sociology is the science of human society. Definitions of sociology. Auguste Comte is considered as the father of sociology. According to him, sociology is the science of social phenomena subject to the natural and invariable laws, the discovery of which is the object of investigation. According to Max Weber, another sociologist, sociology is the study of social behavior. According to Emile Durkheim, sociology is the science of social institutions. In general, one can define sociology as the study of human society. Origin of sociology. In the beginning, sociology was an independent and separate field of science. Today, it became a specific science. This was due to the industrial and French revolutions, the intellectual stimulation provided by Renaissance and other movements of 16th and 18th resulted in the origin of sociology. Scope of sociology. What does sociology study? Sociology studies the human society. It studies human social life, social relationships, social institutions, and social process. Sociology studies the human society. It studies human social life, how human beings live in the society, their relationship in the society, social relationships, social institutions, and social processes. Nature of sociology. Sociology is different from other social sciences due to its unique nature. Sociology is considered as an independent and separate field of study. Now let us see what are the features of sociology. First one, sociology is a social science and it is not a physical science. Second one, sociology is a definitive study but not a directive study. Third one, sociology is a pure science and not an applied science. Sociology is an intangible science and not a tangible science. Fifth one, it is a general science and not a special science. Now let us see what is the importance of sociology. Sociology studies human society scientifically. It helps in the personality development. It helps in understanding social processes. It also helps in understanding social problems and their solutions. Sociology supports the effective implementation of development programs. Now let us learn about some early sociologists. Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte is an important French philosopher. He is the first social philosopher. He is called as the father of sociology. His full name is Isidore Marie Auguste François Xavier Comte. He studied society scientifically and provided the status of science for sociology. This effort of Auguste Comte was strongly supported by some sociologists like Herbert Spencer, Emile Durkheim, Max Weber, and others. Comte used the word sociology for the first time while delivering a public lecture on positive philosophy. He was born in Montpellier of southern France on January 19, 1798 in a Catholic family. He completed his studies in Imperial School. He later taught at École Polytechnique College. His major contributions are positive philosophy, positive polity, human religion. Auguste Comte, who wrote many other important books on sociology, died on September 5, 1857 at the age of 59 years. Karl Marx. Karl Marx is important social thinker of world repute of 19th century CE. He was a political revolutionary, clever organizer, and a sensitive writer. Karl Marx is called as the founder of class struggle theory. His thoughts on working class and laborers led to a new direction in labor struggle. Marx was born on May 5, 1818 in Trier of Germany. His major contributions: Das Kapital, the Holy Family, the German Ideology, the Manifesto of the Communist Party, and others. Karl Marx died on March 14, 1883. Even after a century of his death, theories advocated by Marx have remained relevant. Emile Durkheim. Emile Durkheim is the important sociologist of 19th century France. While Auguste Comte is called as the father of sociology, Durkheim is called as the father of the development of sociology. Major contributions of Durkheim: the division of labor in society, suicide, the rules of sociological method, the elementary reforms of religious life, and others. He died at the age of 59. Max Weber. Max Weber is an unforgettable personality in the field of social sciences. He was one of the most prominent writers and politicians of Germany. He was born at Erfurt in West Germany on April 21, 1864 in a Protestant family. He started his teaching career at Berlin University. He died at the age of 56. Major contributions are the Protestant ethics and the spirit of capitalism, the city, the economy and the society, and others. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is one of the prominent social reformer and an expert in law. He fought against the exploitations of Dalits in India like untouchability. He organized agitations in favor Dalit rights and women rights. More importantly, Ambedkar was the first to prove that all sorts of exploitation of Dalits can be overcome by education. Ambedkar's stand on education differs from other social thinkers radically. He proposes that education is the main tool, education is the main weapon of social transformation. Ambedkar argued in favor of compulsory and free education to all. He argued that education should remain as a public property as it has the capacity to bring in social changes. With these radical thoughts, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played a pivotal role in the preparation of the draft Indian Constitution. Because of this proactive role played by Ambedkar, the Indian Constitution has a unique way of ensuring social justice and equality in the entire world. B.R. Ambedkar was born in Ambawadi village of Maharashtra on April 14, 1891. He started his primary education at Satara. He started a fortnightly magazine named Mukhanayaka. His major contributions: Annihilation of Caste, Who are Shudras, Buddha and his Dhamma, and others. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar died on December 6, 1956. G.S. Grue. His full name is Govinda Sadashiva Grue. He was born on December 12, 1893 at Malwan of Maharashtra. He completed his college education at Bombay University. After that, he received his PhD from Cambridge University, London. Major contributions: Caste and Race in India, Scheduled Tribes, Indian Saints, and many other books are written by him. M.N.Srinivas. M.N.Srinivas is an internationally renowned Indian sociologist. He popularized the field-based sociological studies in India. Based on his memory of the field work done, he wrote A Remembered Village in 1976. He wrote a book titled The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India in the year 1952. His full name was Mysore Narasimhachar Srinivas and was born on November 16, 1916 at Mysore. Major contributions are The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India, Indian Villages, Social Change in Modern India, Remembered Village. C. Parvatama. C. Parvatama is a prominent contemporary sociologist of Karnataka. She was born at Shagalli village of present Davangere district in June 1928. She grew up in a different situation and with a lot of determination became one of the leading sociologists of India. She made genuine attempts to spread the learning of sociology across Karnataka, proves her commitment and her sense of social concerns. Major contributions: Politics and Religion, Sociological Essays on Veerashaivism, Studies on Socio-economic Status of Scheduled Caste and Tribes. IRAVATI KARVE. IRAVATI KARVE is recognized as the prominent sociologist of India. She was a student of G.S. Grue. She had her MA from Bombay University and worked at Pune College as professor. Major contributions of IRAVATI KARVE are Kinship and Organization in India, Indian Society, Institutions and Relationship. A.R.DESAI. A.R.DESAI is important among the prominent sociologists of India. His full name is Akshay Ramlal Desai and was born in 1915. He worked as the UGC National Fellow and as head of Department of Sociology of Bombay University. As he was following the Marxist ideology in his sociological studies, he was identified as Marxist sociologist. His The Sociological Background of Indian Nationalism work is the best work. Major contributions: Indian Rural Sociology and Slums and Urbanizations. Thank you.